I kind of started it late. Come with me to KawaiiKon2025. I have my wig cap on. Can you guess who I'm gonna be? I'm gonna be one of the girls in Black Clover and Black Bulls. There's your hint. Oh my god, final product. I hope you guys know who I am, because if you don't, that's my fault. Guys, cause what the fuck?
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. KawaiiKon day 2. Look at this shit. Different view. Michelle is short, that's why, sorry.
Oh hell.
Extended pole. Extended pole. With the fam. Yeah. KawaiiKon day 2 vlog. Let's go.
20 years of thankful for all you that came by and just like your suggestion for casting.
We're not even. We're 2 minutes in. Dude, we're not even like one. Actually, there's not even one actual.
Oh, good, you found one. Okay.
We're gonna do once you touch it, you own it.
Yep, once you touch it,
Once you touch it, you own it.
How high are you going?